So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, creative friends. Today we are not going to design. Yes, today we are not going to design. These are a couple of designs that I've done on my channel, and if you want, you can go and check it out on my channel. Yes, they are very nice. And as I said, today we are not going to design, but rather we are going to give free 5 intro templates. Yes, premium intro template that you can use it to start your channel journey, especially your YouTube journey. And these are the preview. I'm going to show you how you can edit all of them one after the other, in which you can use them for your channel journey, especially your YouTube journey. So let's look at the first one, preview. So this is it. Okay, so you have seen the preview of the first one. Let's go and look at the second one too. So this is the second one. As you are seeing, the green screen is there. I'm going to show you how you can edit all of it. Let's look at the preview of the second one again. So you see how it's nice. I'm going to show you the third one. So this is the third one. Okay, so this is the third one. Let's look at the fourth one. Very awesome, very awesome, very awesome. This is the fourth one. Yeah. Let's look at the fourth one preview again. Very nice. I like how it's popping and shaking like water splash something. Guys, very awesome. Let's look at the last one. Good. So these are the 5 premium intro templates that I'm going to share with you. A link will be in the description for you to download them for free. And then how do you edit this thing? Just, I'm using Capcut right now. I'll go to the side and create project, and then wait for the Capcut to load on my machine. They realize that the interface is being loaded. Boom, now everything is set. This is the interface of Capcut for PC, and I'm using the current version. Yes, I'm using the current version. I just updated it not too long ago. I don't think it's about 3 hours ago. Yeah, I just updated it. So guys, let's go and import. You go to, when you open the Capcut for the first time, this is the import signal you are going to see. So you click on import, and then it will take you to where your items are. So this is my desktop. This is a free 5 intro template. So I click on it, and then I'll select all, and then go to open. Then everything will be imported into Capcut. Good. So including the logo, and then I have my first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So which one should we use? Let's use the fourth one. First of all, to import the logo, just drag the logo into Capcut like this, or the timeline like this. Good. And then go and then import or drag the template on it again. Boom. That is it. No, first of all, let's clean it. Let's clean all. Delete. Good. And then import the import this first, the video first into the timeline, and then you have something nice like this before you import the logo to the timeline again like this, and then hold the edge here and drag here to fit this, and click this side to fit the timeline. Now you can see everything clearly. Let's look at it. Good, good, good. So you realize that it's got to a point or a part where the green screen pop up. So under that area, the video selected, you go to adjustment, good, and then let's look for so you go to the videos, and then let's look at mask. Okay, so you go to the videos, and now first of all you see a basic, then you see cut out, then you see mask, then you see enhance. So the basic, let's go to cut out. Good. Now the cut out selected, and then the video is also selected. Now you see a chroma key. Check it like this. Good. And then bring the line to this side, and then you realize that you see a green screen over there. Now pick this color picker and go and select the green screen, and then clear the green screen out. Perfect, like this, and then you are good to go. We are good to go. Now let's pick the logo and then reduce the size a bit, or better still, let's increase the size, and let's come to basic and bring the, let's bring it down a bit. No, yeah, rather turning this side. So let's go here 0, and then let's see the let's here 30. No, it means let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down so that we can center it properly into the black thing. Good, good. So I think 90 is okay, and then let's turn it to this side to a bit. I think it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Good. So then let's look at it again. Now I think we have to cut part of the logo away. Good. So hold here and then bring it to this side. Good. Where the green screen starts popping up, then you release the logo over there. So let's play it and see. Good. I think so. We have to adjust it a bit. So let's open it up, open it up, open it up, and then go to this side. Let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Where everything starts, then we bring the logo to that side. I think you have to come here, so pull it back to something like this, and let's play it and see. Good, 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 good. I think we are on it, we are on it, we are on it, we are on it. Good, 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 good. I realize everything is on point. Everything is on point. Everything is on point. Boom. Okay, let's start again. And then play it. Good, good. So if you want to add maybe an inscription to it, then you can go to the text and then add the inscription to it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are not going to add any inscription to it. We just want only the logo reveal. Yes. Now we can go to this animation and then set fade out. Let's go to fade out and then set fade out to the image. Like 5 seconds is okay. Now the video too, let's go to the fade out and set it like 5 seconds. Okay, so that at the same time they all fade out so that we get the nice. So let's look at it again. then it comes, then gradually. Good. So it fades out. So something like this. This is how, the same way you can drag any of the intro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then use the same procedure for you to just get something nice for your channel. In case you want to start your channel, I have all the solutions for you. The intro, maybe you are wondering how you can create a nice looking logo reveal, and then you have no idea on how to use it. I have this 5 premium logo review or intro for you to download it and then use it for free. So guys, thank you for coming back, or thank you for sticking around to watch the tutorials, and do like and comment for me. Let me know your comments and suggestions. I'll see you again in the next tutorial. I love you. Bye for now.